Genesis chapter 45. Joseph could no longer hold back his emotions. After testing his brothers and hearing Judah's heartfelt plea, he broke down. He ordered all the Egyptians out of the room, and then he wept so loudly that everyone in Pharaoh's house could hear. Joseph said to his brothers, "I am Joseph. Is my father still alive?" His brothers were stunned and terrified. They couldn't believe it was him. But Joseph gently reassured them, "Come close to me. I am your brother Joseph, the one you sold out into Egypt. But don't be angry with yourselves. God sent me here ahead of you to save lives. For 2 years there has been famine, and 5 more are coming. God sent me to preserve a remnant and to save many lives. So it was not you who sent me here, but God." Then Joseph told them to hurry back to Canaan and bring their father Jacob to Egypt. "You will live in the region of Goshen near me. You, your children, your flocks and herds will be cared for because the famine still has 5 more years to go." Joseph hugged his brothers Benjamin and wept on his shoulder, and Benjamin wept too. Then he kissed all his brothers and cried with them. Only after this were his brothers finally able to talk with him freely. When Pharaoh heard that Joseph's brothers had come, he was pleased. He told Joseph to send wagons back to Canaan to bring his father and the whole family to Egypt. Pharaoh promised them the best of the land. Joseph gave each of his brothers new clothes, but to Benjamin he gave 5 sets of clothes and 300 pieces of silver. To his father he sent donkeys loaded with the best goods of Egypt and plenty of food for the journey. The brothers returned home and told Jacob, "Joseph is still alive. He is ruler over all Egypt." Jacob was shocked and didn't believe them at first, but when he saw the wagons Joseph had sent, his spirit revived. He said, "Enough, my son Joseph is still alive. I will go and see him before I die." What his brothers meant for harm, God used for good. Joseph forgave instead of seeking revenge, showing us the power of mercy and God's bigger plan to save lives through one man's suffering.